see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex, that's flex on.
Here I am with Kai. Like obviously a sky jump, but like this is scary as usual. I've never been up here before. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Better Days 4x4, and we've taken you to Cape Palmerston. So
that's where we're at.
Yeah. So we've done so far a bit of an explore. We've already camped tonight at
Camped at Cape Creek. We got in late last night. It just turned dark when we pulled in, but we made it, set up for the night. It was windy as hell. There was a big storm rolling around.
And you can already tell, like, I don't know if you can hear us, but
it's pretty windy.
Pretty windy, even on the sky deck, like just incredibly windy. But the day hasn't disappointed though, and it never will. Please, if it's on your way past on the
Stop
coast,
in, have a look.
Towards Mackay, it's pretty cool.
So many beach camp spots. Camp over there at the creek mouth like we did. A little bit of four driving, like nothing too hectic, but just a little fun stuff.
Don't hang up. Can we be friends again? I give up. I know how this ends. Might sound strange, but I'd give my life for you. Nothing's changed. I just ran away from the truth. One of us makes a mistake. We work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. We've gone full circle again. But that's what we do. That's what we do.
Just made it to the Cape of Cape Palmerston. As you probably would have just seen, we would have just played that footage, but just driven right up onto the tip here. Jade's getting some drone lessons. It's the first time actually flying the drone.
Yeah.
Where is it? It's up there somewhere.
It's over there, somewhere. There it is.
Great.
By the water. Oh shit.
Just don't crash it. Anyway, we're just going for a bit of a drive. I've got some friends coming a little later, so we'll meet up with them. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Nice and cool up here. There's a little drone.
We spilt rosemary everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. It's supposed to be on the roast for tonight.
We don't even know how it happened.
No, the thing was closed.
The thing was even closed, yeah. Anyway, it's beer o'clock somewhere, and if you're looking at a view like what we are, you can't not have a cold one at the ready. And then we're just going to check out the views at the top here, and then we're going to probably keep exploring.
Yep.
Have lunch somewhere. Again, I'm excited.
Oh, nearly just went arse up.
Your trusty Crocs, man.
Yep.
You gotta have
Failed me.
pluggers. Alrighty, so that was just the tip. Look out here at Cape Palmerston. It was so good. We have seen so many turtles, and we met some pretty cool people today. Yeah, we met Jim and Emily, and they were just really fun to talk to, weren't they? Yeah. And they told us about the Cape and some adventures that they've gone on to, and we swapped stories about products and you know,
Good yarn.
a good yarn. Yeah, nice. And had a nice good cold one chatting by the cars, and good laughs. So anyway, we're gonna head back down to the main beach that you'll find at Cape Palmerston, and maybe have a look at doing some of those tracks.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we just did some video around the beach that you can find here at Cape Palmerston, and there's some really cool like sand dune tracks that you can test your vehicle on. So we just showed you a couple. This one is the video you'll see of the Broom Broom, and from the last time we came here, and it's pretty cool. So she's doing well. Haven't need to use the winch just yet. So I'm sure Patrick will try and put us in a situation where we would have to take it out. We would have to use it just so that he can try it out for the first time. See how we go. Anyway, we're up for sandwiches. What's on the menu, chef?
Ham and cheese.
Perfect.
Well, that's windy. We're probably not going to be able to hear any of this.
That's all right. We're gonna go take you around Cape Palmerston and check out some of the best full drive routes that you can do while you're here, and we're gonna nominate our favorite one of the trip. But yeah, so get ready for a little bit of full driving.
Yep.
Sweet. Attempt number 2.
You need a massive run up to get up it. You pretty much just got to fly over it.
Oh,
Get a
okay.
bit of air and just,
Go for it.
yeah.
You might need an actual run-up, babe.
Yeah, just don't even think about it, just floor it straight up.
Oh, shit. Reverse back. Or winch time. Go back.
I'll try it in low range and do it slow.
Okay. Go over, yeah. You're digging in. Watch your tyres though. It's quite a big drop. You're not going anywhere. Oh, yeah, you are. Nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Babe, babe. Do we want to winch it? Oh my god.
That scared me a bit. Yeah, I think it just didn't like because I put it in low range and it was already lost traction. Freaked out the computer.
Oh, that's a better one for them to go up. Here he goes. Just digging in.
I was just thinking that.
Patrick did some forward driving and guess what our canopy caught?
Little bait knife.
A little bait knife. Hooked in there, oh my god. That damn box doesn't hold anything. Back in there. Holy. Woo! Stop ruining a perfect view. Thank you again for watching another episode of Better Days 4x4. If you like our stuff, please like, follow us, find us on Instagram at Better Days 4x4. And we have been so thankful that we're able to take you out this weekend to Cape Palmerston. So we're going to go to have lunch at the Serena Pub.
No, not Serena.
Oh, oopsie.
Kamala Pub.
Kamala Pub. We have been there before, but we rocked up real late. So we're going to have a nice lunch, a bit of a beer, and
then head home.
Head home. So thank you for joining us for another amazing weekend. See you soon. Ready for a feed?
Yep, definitely.